And the second thing that it offered me, the Veblen community, was it allowed you a stepwise approach to get there, right? So immediately when you think about boards, I'll share my experience. I think about, as I said, older men sitting around a table, having a discussion, and making really high-powered decisions at that point in time. And then that seemed very far away from who I was today and who I ever thought I could be. What the Veblen community did, or the Veblen program did for me, was break it down into small steps and go, okay, first of all, that image of what a board is does not exist. So remove that image out of your mind completely. So one, reframe in your mind the board and what a board looks like. I think the community helped, but also being exposed to different people, because once you also are exposed to the community, you start engaging on LinkedIn, you start looking at different people that are involved in board service, you start getting exposed to a very broad community. And the more conversations you have, the more you reframe in your mind how to actually access boards, but how to also believe that you can be a board member.